Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good, and today I'm going to talk about your NAT. So what is a NAT? NAT stand for Network Address Translation. Actually we are using NAT for translate private IP address to public address. So how we can configure it? Let's see. So let's first of all draw a network, then we will configure NAT. Actually there are three types of NAT: static NAT, dynamic NAT, path. So today we are going to talk about path. So it's one kind of NAT. So let's see how we can configure it. Already we opened packet tracer software. So let's draw a simple network, then we will configure. Okay, so let's start. There is a router. Okay, so also add a switch, and then you can add a PC. Okay, so you can add as well as another PC here, so there is no problem. And so we are thinking this is our local area network, so we can add another router. This is we think so this is the actually ISP in the router. It's like a like a uplink. Okay, so router to router we can use crossover cable. Okay, no problem. And a router to switch we can use straight cable. Okay, go for it. And switch to PC we can use straight cable. That's good. We can also add IP address. First let's draw the IP address, or just stickering like that. So 192.168.1.2, this is the IP address. Okay, and the subnet mask 255.255.255.0, and there is a gateway. We think our gateway is 192.168.1.1. Similarly we will add 3 for this PC, and this interface IP will be gateway IP. So gateway IP we already decide it will be 192.168.1.1. okay, so we can assign another IP this interface. So it can be like that 30 or 40, whatever. You can just put IP address, this because this is our just test project. 1/1 on this IP address. Okay, then just you can give the subnet mask 255.255.255.0, and this interface IP address 192.168.30.0.0.2 subnet mask 255.255.255.0. good. With this is actually our local area network, and this is actually another router to router connection. So we use another network IP, and we think that our public IP address is like that. This is our public IP 60.0.0.1. okay, we will configure this IP address in this network. So first of all we should configure our network interfaces IP, PCs IP. So let's see how we can do it. So just open the router, then go to the CLI and just type no, for we don't like to configure default configuration, so we have planned to configure as per our required. So just we use no command, then just use en for enable command. Okay, so then just go to the global configuration mode. So how we can go it? Using just configure terminal command. Good job. So then configure those interface. So there is a two interface, first is 0/0 and another is 0/1. so interface first Ethernet 0/0 and IP address 192.168.1.1 255.255.255.0. no shutdown. That's good. We assign wrong IP address here. So just okay, no problem. We can use this command no IP address, because we assign this IP address will be this interface. Okay, so we enter this interface, but given this IP address, so that's why this is the wrong assigning IP. So it is the scope of how we can actually remove IP address from any interface. That's good. So just you should go this interface, we are already here, so just use no IP address command, then it will be removed. So you can assign now this IP address in this interface. Already we are in this interface, so just here we are going to assign this IP address here. So IP address then 30.0.0.1 then 255.255.255.0. so no shutdown. That's good. So in this router another interface is first Ethernet 0/1. So go to this interface first Ethernet 0/1 and just assign IP address. This interface IP address will be 192.168.1.1. then use 255.255.0. then just give the no shutdown command. That's good, it's working. So in this sections already we configured IP as, and now we are going to this router and let's start configuration using en. Go to the enable mode, then go to the configure terminal, then go to the interface first Ethernet 0/0, then use IP address. This interface IP address is 30.0.0.2, then use subnet mask .0, then use no shutdown command. Wow. So interface IP assigning already complete, and we should IP assign these PCs. So let's go to this PCs. So this PCs IP will be 192.168.1.3 and subnet mask, then gateway 192.168.1.1. One 192.168.1.2 192.168.1.1. So after that we should configure routing. So here we are going to configure static default or dynamic routing, whatever as per required. We have planned to configure default routing here. So as per required you can configure. So just let's see how you can configure default routing. It is very easy. Just use IP route command, then use 0.0.0.0 0.0.0.0, then next interface. The next interface first Ethernet 0/0. Okay, great. So we should configure this router. So this command will be static routing command. Actually static, no, it's a default routing command. So just use IP route 0.0.0.0, then again 0.0.0.0, then next interface IP. So this is the next interface actually. So just use first Ethernet 0/0. Great. So you can try ping from this PC in this router. So this router interface IP is 30.0.0.2. So now we can check using ping command. So let's go to the PC, then go to the CMD, then you can use ping command in this IP. So let's see, ping 30.0.0.2. let's see what happening here. Wow, I think we done properly. Yes, that's good, it's working. So our routing configuration also complete. Now we have planned to configure actually NAT. So how we can configure NAT? So now we will show you how to configure NAT. So for configure NAT you should use some commands. So let's go to see how we can configure NAT. So access list, use access list command, then just access list another number. So then permit. So permit, we have planned to permit for those IP for this network. Okay, so this network is 192.168.1.0. then use subnet mask. So here we are use actually wildcard mask. So what is the wildcard mask? Will be here 0.0.0.255 is the reverse of subnet mask. Okay, then just press enter. IP NAT pool, it has a pool name, just it can be test like that. As per record you can as you wish, actually you can put the name here actually. So our public IP is 60. Okay, 60.0.0.1. then this is the only one IP, so the pool last IP as well 0.16.0.0.1. NAT mask 255.0.0.0. So because here actually this is the /8. Okay, that's why we are use 8. Okay, so just press enter. Good job. So now we can use IP NAT, then inside source list number, and then use pool test, our pool name full name was test. That's why then the overload you command you must use if you configure pet. Then just give the interface first Ethernet, then use 0/1. This is the inside. Okay, so just go to the interface, then type IP NAT inside. Then again go to the this interface first Ethernet, 0/0, then use IP NAT outside IP NAT outside command. So just press enter and then just exit. Our pet configuration successfully done. So now we'll check actually. So how we can check our NAT configuration successfully done. So yes, now see, those are our inside IP address 3, 2, and this is our public IP address. So it's working. So thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.